Okay, hi. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so how is it going? Great. I hope that you are in a good condition. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much to Ms. Septi as my lecturer and all of my friends whom I'm proud of. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Hanifah Azzahro Rosyid, but everybody knows me Ifa. I'm from Sidoarjo. My UPJJ is Surabaya, but right now I stay in Pare, Kampung Inggris. Okay, so on this occasion, I would like to tell you about my task from my lecture. It's about tourism information. Okay, so yeah, I choose Hotel Pohon Inn. Hotel Pohon Inn is one of the popular hotel in Malang. Okay, it's located in Jalan Oro-Omo number 9, Batu, Indonesia. Okay, the reason why tourists should visit in particular rooms or services is the first one, the location of the hotel is very strategic, located in the Jatimbaktu area. So this hotel is located in the same with Jatimbaktu. Have you already visited in Jatimbaktu, guys? Okay, you have to try this one. Okay, and then second one is the animal themed room atmosphere. The third one is close to other attractions, and the fourth is has the unique restaurant. The fifth is has many facilities, and etc. Actually, Hotel Pohon Inn has a lot of advantages, so you can try, but I only mentioned five. Okay, five of them. Next is about food and beverage, or we can say F&B. F&B in this hotel is divided into two. Okay, the first one is breakfast and lunch until dinner. Breakfast start from 6 a.m. until 10 a.m., whereas the lunch until dinner start from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. The menu of the breakfast is the first one is chilled fruit juice, main courses, fruit, coffee, and the last one is tea. Whereas the lunch until dinner is more variative and has many kinds of menus, start from snack, jungle stick corner, Chinese food, Indonesian food, vegetable, noodles, dessert, beverage, mocktail, and shake. Okay, and this restaurant is part of the Jatim Park 2 area and 3 in hotel also. So this is combined. And then the food is very delicious and cheap. Start from 20,000 rupiahs, and we can eat like a snack or Chinese or Indonesian food. Okay, and sometimes if we are very lucky, we can see the show of the animals, like a tiger or maybe snake or something like that. Okay, next is about main facilities and the nearest landmark. And Pohon Inn Hotel, the main facility is this one. Let's see, and we can see from this one. Okay, this is the main facility. The main facility in this hotel is this one, 24 hours open desk, and then airport shuttle and amazing view. Like we know that Malang is a good place for young people to hang out because in here the weather is good, the environment is good, and the air is very fresh, right? Okay, and the other facility is the free Wi-Fi, and then parking area, restaurant tour, and the other one. Okay, we can see from this one. And the landmark, the popular landmark in here, start from the Topeng Kingdom Museum, around 2 kilometers. Chubandrono Waterfall is around 6 kilometers. Singosari Temple, and the other one. And then the nearest landmark is, of course, Jatibaktu, because Hotel Pohon Inn Hotel is the same location with Jatim Park too. But the other landmark is the Batu Street Zoo is around 380 meters, guys. And the other Jatim Park also is around 700 meters. Wonderland Park is 1 kilometer. BNS is very popular also in the night, right? It's around 1 kilometers, and the other one. Next, now we'll move on to the next topic is about the types of rooms. The types of rooms in this hotel is two, yes, has two kinds of rooms, but actually in this hotel has many kinds of types of rooms. I'm able to mention two because all of them is only I'm sorry because all of them is only available. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for your nice attention, and as I say, see you.